Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Home Depot. It is January 1st, 2020. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be the quick look. The unboxing. I will also do some weights to with this scale to give a little more information, be a little more thorough on the videos. So today is January 1st, 2020. I picked up this D-handle jigsaw, which is item number 2737-20. It is the D-handle style, not the barrel grip. It was $199 at Home Depot. I'll probably pick up the barrel grip later. There is a couple features about this one that I like better than the barrel grip. The bevel is easier to use on this one, where the barrel grip you actually have to flip it upside down, take the shoe off, use an Allen key to loosen it, all that jazz. So information on this guy is stroke length is 1 inch, 25.4 millimeters. Strokes per minute is 0 to 3,500. Toolless bevel detents at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees. It has a blower on-off setting, so it can blow. If you turn it on, it will blow the sawdust away. If you turn it off, you can use the attachments. I believe this one includes the shoe, the non-marring shoe, as well as the dust chute, and I believe a couple other items. This is the M18 version. Orbital cutting 4 position. It's got 1, 2, 3, and off, which is the 4 positions. Blade type is T-shank. Length is 8.9 inches, and its weight is 4.8 pounds without a battery. It's just got your normal graphs and stuff on the back. Clean control cuts. Milwaukee's higher than a 7-amp corded. More power, softer materials, harder materials. Milwaukee is higher than all of them. With a, looks like might be a 5-amp hour battery. It says 105 foot of cut in 3/4 inch laminated particle board. It's got Red Plus intelligence. Fits M18 tools. It's got a 5-year warranty. Again, this is the D-handle jigsaw, part number 273720. We're going to make this video really short. This is going to be kind of like a teaser video with some information in it. So, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.